and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to log LinkedIn lead ads automatically in Google Sheet. For that, I am going to integrate my LinkedIn to the Google Sheet, and this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And the creation of this amazing automation is complete in just 5 minutes, yes. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to my LinkedIn campaign manager where I have already created one ad by the name of Pabbly Connect. So I am going to simply clicking on it. After that, here I am going to clicking on this apply now button. See, this is the default form that I have already created. That's why the first name, last name and the company name is already added. That is the first name as Pabbly, last name as subscription billing management service, and the company name is Magnet Brains. But if you do this, then you have to enter all the data manually. Now in both of these fields, that is the email address and the phone number, I am going to add test details. Here I added the details. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. See, my information is submitted successfully. Now we will check our Google Sheet that a new row is added or not. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet which includes all the details that I have shared while filling the form. Now, if you also want to do this type of automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. Now, I am going to take you to my workflow builder page. When you search pabbly.com/connect into your browser, then you will land it on the official page of Pabbly Connect. On that page, if you are a new user, you have to simply click on the sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. I am an Pabbly existing user. That's why I directly done the sign in process and going to the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect. When you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, then you can click on create workflow option. After that, you have to select the workflow builder on that. I have selected the workflow builder as new beta, and now I am on this workflow builder page. Now this is right over there is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen, where at first you have to select your trigger application by clicking on this plus option. Here I am searching my trigger application as LinkedIn. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as lead notification. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and click on this connect with LinkedIn button. I am in an existing user, so I am clicking on the select existing connection option. After that, the save option. See, my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, here I have selected the sponsored account as Pabbly's ads account. I am using this account here. Then in the next, with the help of this toggle, I have received the response in the simple format. After that, I am going to simply click on the save and send test request button. See, here it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am again applying on this LinkedIn ad by again entering some test details. After that, clicking on the submit button. See, my information is sent to Pabbly. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received a new response 3 seconds ago, which includes all the details that I have shared while filling the form. Now the setup of my trigger application is done. After that, the action application I am going to take as Google Sheet because I want to store my user leads into my Google Sheet. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as add new row. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that, I am going to click on the save button. See, my Google Sheet is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I have selected the spreadsheet from here as the LinkedIn ads leads. I already created the spreadsheet before. This is this sheet where I have mentioned the field, that is first name, last name, email, phone number and the company. See, as soon as I select the sheet, automatically all the fields will be added here. Now I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application of my user's first name. Here I map the first name. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, in the next, I am going to do the mapping of all these fields. Here I mapped all the fields. You can see I have mapped the first name as Pabbly and last name as subscription billing management service because the setup of my form is default. it. But when you do this, you have to map your users' names in this place. After that, I'm going to simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet, which includes all the test details that I have mapped here. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever any new apply can be come through your LinkedIn ads, then automatically all their leads will be added into your Google Sheet. And this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect.